Hi there, my name's William Bullock, your stress manage mentor. I've had a few requests for a simple relaxation exercise, so I thought I'd do an approximately 5-minute exercise with you. So to prepare for that, all you need to do is just sit in a comfortable chair, the chair you're in, or if you've got the time, lie down on a bed or couch or something, get nice and comfortable. When you're ready, just close your eyes. You can leave your eyes open if you want to, but it's usually better if you close your eyes. Just get comfortable. When you're ready, close your eyes. And the first thing I'll do is I'll ask you to take 3 big deep breaths. So on the count of 3, I'd like you to take your first deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Hold at the top of your lungs for a moment. And then really relax as you exhale. When you're ready, take a second deep breath. Hold it for a moment at the top. And just start letting any tension drain away as you breathe out. And then a third deep breath. Hold it for a moment. And really relax as you exhale. And then just continue to breathe slowly and gently. And then I'd like you to start relaxing your feet. From the very tips of your toes to your ankles, just let both your feet become really relaxed. And as your feet start to relax, let that feeling move up into your calf muscles, up through your knees and into your thighs. Let the stronger muscles of your thighs really relax. And let that relaxation move up into your hips, up into your abdomen, your stomach, and right up into your chest. So that now, with each slow, easy breath you take, you can feel your chest relaxing more and more. Every breath you take, every sound you hear, just helping to settle down deeper and deeper. Any other sounds you hear only help you to sink down to a very deep, pleasant state of relaxation. And just let yourself sink down, perhaps deeper than you've ever gone before. And let the relaxation move down into the muscles in your back. And just let all the muscles in your back relax. The muscles up and down your spine, around the base of your back, around your shoulder blades. Just let the chair or the bed take the full weight of your body and let yourself sink right down. It feels so good to relax like this. All your troubles, all your worries seem so far away. And just let them drift away. And let that relaxation move up into your shoulders. And just let any tension in your shoulders go. Let it drain out through your arms, your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, hands, thumbs and fingers. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the tips of your fingers. And let the relaxation move up into your neck, up into the muscles in your face. Let your jaw muscles relax so your teeth don't quite touch. Your cheeks. All the little muscles around your eyes, let them go loose and limp. And your temples and your forehead and your scalp. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the very top of your head. And just take another nice big deep breath. And really relax. Just enjoy this feeling of relaxation. And while you're in this pleasant state, I'd like you to just, in your mind, just move around your body and just notice what it feels like to be relaxed. If there are any points of tension, just let them go. Just imagine that feeling of sinking down into the chair, the bed. Let all the tension go. And know that you can come back to this state of relaxation anytime you want to. The important thing is to practice. If you just settle down simply like this a few times every day, it can make an enormous difference to your overall well-being. And this is a great jumping off point if you want to do some meditation, some other kinds of relaxation exercises. Getting yourself to this point will help you to do those things. In a few moments I'm going to count from 1 up to 5, and at the count of 5 you can open your eyes, wide awake, feeling really good, looking forward to the rest of the day, the rest of the week, and all the wonderful changes taking place in your life from now on. If you're using this exercise as you're going to sleep, you can just let yourself drift off to sleep. And even though I might count up, you can just let yourself drift away. Let the numbers take you deeper. For those who are waking up, just on the count of 5, open your eyes, take a big deep breath and enjoy the day. 1, 2, 3, coming up now. 4, 5, open your eyes. Take that nice big deep breath. Now I hope you've enjoyed this little relaxation. Remember, don't get stressed about relaxing. And even more importantly, remember to breathe. Have a great day.